So I just got off the bus where the ticket was 56 of the local money, and it was I think for 30 minutes. So it was pretty cheap, 18 cents if I made my calculations correctly. And now heading to the train station. I think that's it. Luckily I made it here pretty early, so I can just look around, but it already looks as hectic as any train station should look like. So I could get in, and it's already pretty hot here. Well, as you can see. Yeah, I'm trying to find where my train goes from. It's number 5. So I'm crossing to get there. So there were announcements also in English saying that the train should be coming right now. So I'm waiting here with everybody to get on the train. Here we go! Ta-da! This definitely looks like the third class that I booked in front there. I think I need to go that way for sure, because yeah, this is class 2 and I don't belong here. I have the cheap ticket for class 3, which seems pretty crowded, but what's life without a challenge? So welcome to the train, I guess. Yeah, reporting live from third class. There is some room, but no seats for sure. So I spent my next 2 hours in the train. There was even no hope that I would get a seat because the train was absolutely packed. Luckily, we had this super beautiful view to the ocean at some point. And yeah, but everybody was chilling, everybody was just really nice at the train. I have been standing here for 1 hour now, and I have a recommendation. Maybe get second class where you get reserved seat. It's pretty hectic, but only half an hour left, so let's get going. Honestly, it's not that bad actually, because there are these fans and it feels pretty okay. Yeah, just I haven't eaten today much and I really feel tired already, so yeah. So I got off at the Bentota train station, and yeah, then my accommodation owner came to pick me from the train station, and he just took me to the accommodation. Bentota is really, really, really nice town. It's not that popular among the tourists, but it is a place that often is recommended when people ask, like, which one is like a really nice town in south. And it's also not that far from Colombo, which makes it a really good destination. And here we are just going to my accommodation, which was basically a homestay, but I got my own place there. So cost for this accommodation was €3 per night. €3. I stayed 2 nights, €6. It's a homestay, which means that people live in this house. And yeah, I just show where I stayed. So we pass the house, and here we have 2 cabins. And my cabin is back here. So cute. So, yeah. Let's switch off this. Okay. So it has this huge bed. Really good thing that they provided was this universal socket, which had like every entry you could imagine. So it's very good for travelers. This fan was pretty amazing. Something against mosquitoes. I didn't need it luckily, but I saw mosquitoes. And here we have towel and of course mosquito net. And yeah, let's see the bathroom. So bathroom is just here. It's shared, but you know, maximum with 3 other groups or people. So the bathroom also looks, for me, really nice, and it was really private. I think it's like one of the best deals I have ever got on accommodation. I mean, all this for €3. I think one thing that was missing was internet, but you know, come on. let's not let's not be like that. But again, I would like to say that just literally sweating at the moment, but will soon hit the fan. So what I want to say is that often the expectation and reality is like little far from each other. Like when I looked at the photos, I thought here we have like several cabanas and many people hanging around and chill and grill, and I got here and there are 2 cabanas and somebody's home. But anyway, we will be here for 2 nights and I want to go and explore the town very soon to see what's going on. This village, yeah, it's just great.